This is a conductivity meter, digital conductivity meter with microprocessor based TDS and EC. EC means electronic conductivity meter and TDS meter. It comes with the packing in this box. Take out, there are two parts, one instrument, another is the electrodes. You have two electrodes, one is a conductivity cell, it shows the conductivity part here, and there is a BNC cable here, you connect it. And first there is another temperature probe, so you can connect the both temperature. You can connect the BNC cable on the back, very easy, and probe, you can connect the temperature probe on the back side. And then there is a power adapter is also provided to connect it to the power. There is a switch on off. I am not connecting. The stand also comes where we put the stand. There is a notch here. It goes from the angle and then you rotate it, it comes to the forward. I am using the Bisleri distilled water, drinkable water, and you can put the temperature probe here and you can put the conductivity cell in this. Very easy to use. Then you switch on it. When you switch on the side there is a switch on. It shows the welcome mode, TDS and conductivity. This is a factor and one it tells you, and then it is scanning. Automatically it will scan the conductivity cell and feed it into this. The temperature shows 29 degrees. This is the conductivity 2.9.1 microsiemens. TDS is 140.11 ppm. You can calibrate. There is a manual here. You can return it how to calibrate. Just press it for 3 seconds and then just show you. If you want to calibrate, you can press it and then increase or decrease the readings and then save this reading. So calibration done, very easy to use. This is touch panel, TDS, factor, K is the conductivity cell. It comes with the manual. All details are there in the manual. It is microprocessor based. Packing, general TDS, technical operations, and then you have packing, general precautions, ECS and TDS. TDS range is 1000 ppm, 0 to 1000 in 5 ranges, means automatically it will have range. It will give you the automatic range. EC range is also up to 1000 micromole per cm, auto ranging it is there. TDS resolution is 0.1 and EC resolution 0.1 U. Temperature accuracy is 1 digit, manual, automatic. Temperature, you can remove the temperature automatic, it will work manual also. TDS, EC, samples, storage, it can store 100 samples, platinum, dip type, and there is 100 degrees centigrade temperature range, 0.1 degree is the accuracy, 16 into 2 line display, soft touch, 220 volt power supply, and then there is a TDS conductivity cell. It is a combined cell, stand and manual. You have this how to calibrate, very easy. It is written on the instrument also. Error, troubleshooting, maintenance, how to use it. Please visit the website, and these are the parts, very easy to use. You visit the website and you can send us an email, abron01@gmail.com, or this is a WhatsApp number. Please visit the website and subscribe to Abron channel. Thank you very much.